Hey everybody, welcome back for another car wash review. Today I am in Guelph, Ontario for the much anticipated Petro-Canada car wash review. A few of you have been asking for this for quite a while, and I am finally in the area and able to do it. Last time I was in this area and it was raining, so I wasn't able to do it at all. But today is a nice sunny day, and here I am. I didn't get gas, and so I went in, asked for the top car wash, which is like the Super Works car wash, they call it. It ended up costing me $16.99 plus tax, come to $19.20. If you get gas, you would get $2 off, so it would be $14.99 plus tax. So we're gonna get out, have a look at the van. It's been a long time since this thing's been washed. Well, you guys would know when the last time it's been washed because it would have been on my last video. And I believe if you go back and look at the last review that I did with this van, if I remember correctly, there were certain spots that it didn't get clean. Yeah. Down here, and yeah, there was this area. Yeah, along the back is dirty. I just noticed too up here, it looks like there's a bird dropping up top. Let's see if we can get that. Yeah, you can see kind of the streaks. Hopefully the camera is picking that up. And a bunch of dirt down there. Very front doesn't look too bad. A little bit on the mirrors. Some spots up at the top there. And I think the last time I put this through a wash, I think it was a touch system. And for the life of me, I can't remember which one it was. It was definitely a while back. So the entrance is way over at the end here. Oh. 222. Get the mirror there so you can guide your wheels on. Put it in neutral, and they give you the little ticket with the scan. So you just scan it down in front of this thing.
Please put your vehicle in neutral. Your code has been authorized. Thank you for visiting Petro-Canada.
go? Both lights are flashing. What do I do? Do I wait or do I go? Oh boy. Alright, park right here. Well, those brushes were really putting pressure on because both my mirrors, this one's folded all the way in, this one's folded all the way out. So it definitely moved those around. Left some dirt in that area. Yeah, left some dirt in there. Yeah, definitely in that little crevice. Didn't get the bird dropping. Ooh, didn't get the back very well. Yeah, it definitely doesn't like this indent there. I don't know if that's dirt or just still wet. Well, we'll fold out these mirrors. Didn't get that mirror very clean. Didn't get the spots up on the top. Well, I don't know, I guess I'm a little disappointed. Didn't get it as clean as what I thought, especially the back. The back's still really dirty. And it's tough to tell. I see like streaks, but I don't think it's just the water. Once my van dries, once I get home and the van will be dry, I'll have a look to see if that was more dirt marks on there or what. If it is, then I'll film that at the end of this video. But let me know what you think in the comments below. Like I said, I was a little bit disappointed in it. I didn't really notice much of a rinse at the end. It had the two top brushes go across, and then after that was it. It was like the dryers kicked in. I don't really recall seeing like a rinse or anything. And you can see actually, as that's drying, I got streaks. If you can see that, the windshield, I got water streaks all over the front windshield. So yeah, I'm a little disappointed, especially for the price. I mean, I didn't get gas, but for almost $20, yeah, I mean, otherwise it'd be around maybe $17.80 or almost $18 or whatever, something like that. A little over 17 bucks, I think, with gas it would probably come to. But yeah, I'm a little disappointed in it. But yeah, like I said, let me know what you think in the comments below. Glad I was able to finally do this for you. Hope you enjoyed the video, and sorry it's been a long time since I uploaded. Life's been crazy. Hopefully I can try and get back on track. But yeah, until then, take care everyone, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Take care everyone. Bye-bye. Hey everybody, so quick update. I'm almost home. It's been a couple of hours since I did the car wash. Yeah, if you can, I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but I've got water streaks like crazy on this on the window and everything. So either the rinse wasn't very good, or maybe I didn't get a rinse at all, or I don't know, or there was definitely the spot-free rinse was definitely horrible. But yeah, the front windshield, I don't know if this is picking it up or not, but a lot of streaks. And I'm just gonna get out here and look. I'm sure if this was a black vehicle, it would look totally different. But yeah, I think the rest was just water before on it. So typical same stuff that I just showed you. So I was in Guelph. Now I am in Ancaster on my way home. And I don't know if this rings a bell to you or not. This is the Pioneer Car Wash in Ancaster, which I did a video on a while back. I'll put a link to that one in the description below if you can go back and watch that. It was, I can't remember what the name of the system was, but it was those black brushes, had all the LED lights all through it and that. I mean, it was great visually, but they moved really slow, and I felt like they really grabbed the vehicle and kind of shook the vehicle around. It was like a slow moving brush and that, but they said it was like a foam, but I don't know. I know I didn't like it. It left marks in that, like specks of something on my vehicle afterwards. I don't know if that was the car wash or if the marks were already there. Like I said, I'll put a link to that video down below. So definitely go back and watch it. My point is, they've changed the system. I noticed that when I was driving by here. So they put a whole new system in. I talked to the person at the cash there, and I guess it's only been here like a month or two, and apparently they're having problems with that old system. And the old system wasn't in that long. So maybe it just hasn't been going over very well. I know I didn't like it at all. But anyways, I'm gonna go through this one now. So I'm gonna post this on Saturday, so stay tuned in a few days, and you'll see the results of this one. Hopefully it can get this van even more cleaner, and see if I can get to those hard to reach areas. All right, so stay tuned for this one, and yeah, I will see you then. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.